This week?
It's still just super tight right there.
Okay.
But I also, ever since I got that shot done, I think it's been worse.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Can
Which
irritate
sounds
things.
weird, but yeah, like I had a migraine like all weekend, but I think it was because of the shot. I don't
Yeah.
think it was like the adjustment.
Okay. Let's lean your head over here. Good. Relax your shoulder. And we'll get all of this tightness out of there. Bring this arm up here and straight back. Good. Put your hand on your hip for me. And push back with your elbow. Push, push. There it goes.
Oh, that's weird.
Yeah. That moved really good. Okay, now go ahead and lie face down for me. Alright. So your left leg goes from short to long. So we're going to work on this left side.
Okay.
Alright, take a deep breath in. And out. There we go. Okay, lay on your right side. This leg up here. Good. Breathe in and out. There we go. Beautiful.
Perfect. Thank you.
You're welcome.